Hey guys, Jonas here. I just want to thank you for watching my YouTube videos, liking them, leaving a comment on them, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's really awesome to have you as a viewer, and I hope you're getting value from my YouTube videos. And don't hesitate to leave a comment and let me know what you think about them. Let me know if you want me to talk about anything specific in next videos, all right? I wanted to talk about something really important in this video. I just finished recording a really awesome training video for some of my subscribers. I'm not gonna put it on my main YouTube channel. I just finished recording it for some of my subscribers, and I want you to watch that video because in that video I talk about starting an online business from scratch and actually building an online business that can make you up to $3,000 without having to build it. Without having to actually implementing these systems, funnels, sales funnels, and all that stuff. So it's really amazing, something that no one is doing out there, and this is a really detailed training. So if you're interested in making $3,000 a day without actually having to build your business, this is a training video that you have to watch. And again, you don't have to actually sign up for it. You can just click the link to check it out and start watching it. And one thing is, when I started my online business about 6 years ago, no one was doing this. No one was teaching me how to do this, and no one was teaching me how to start the business or how to structure my sales funnels correctly and how to actually build the business. And one of the reasons that it took me 9 months to make my first commission was because I simply didn't know what to do. And even if I knew what to do, I just didn't know how to implement it. Okay, and this is what you get in that video, in that training video. I'm gonna go through everything step by step in detail, and I'm gonna actually give you these funnels. You're gonna be able to use my done for you, ready to use funnels. So it's really amazing. You can use it for yourself to start making money. It doesn't get anything better than that. All right, so you should definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, or you can find it up here. But you should just look for it. You should be able to find it. Check it out. I'll see you over there.